2009 Scion XB. Problem with this car is you can't just use one of these tools to push in the piston for the caliper. So I went in my garage and found a tool that looks like this. Yes, I know what you're thinking. That goes to a grinder to tighten up the wheel. That's exactly what it is. So you take this tool, once you get all the caliper loose, and you see how that is right there? Let's see if I can get this. You take this tool, you put it in there like that, and you start to rotate that. If you need to, you can take that tool right there, put on the back side of it to put pressure on it while you turn it so it goes in. And that's how you push it in without the tools from AutoZone and wherever else in the high dollar tool that I can't buy. So that's how we do it in this garage. Hope you have good luck doing it, and because I have. So I will show you once I get it in. Alright, as you can see, the caliper piston's all the way pushed in, and that's just using these two simple tools right here. So now we're going to do the brakes, and I'll show you that once it's put on. Well, I was running out of daylight, as you guys can see, so I just slapped her back together real quick so I can get this done and out of the way. But that's how you do